Hey guys, welcome back to the Obby Creator Doors tutorial, and yes, I'm going to be starting on the Rush tutorial, only a part of it, because I just wanted to get it over with, so people don't have to just ask me to make Rush. I might also do just model speed runs, but yeah, let's go for Rush. So, this does not mean that I am actually done my overall Doors build for the first, I don't know, third of the whole Doors obby. It's just that I'm kind of moving on with this as quickly as possible. Okay, so for this one, it's gonna get a bit tricky, so I hope it all makes sense. But basically, what we're gonna do is have a moving timed part. Yes, this is so that we can kind of move the whole thing in general, you know. And make sure as a beforehand, set it to the place you want it to move to, because if you don't, it's gonna get really hard from there. So just line it up with your actual part and kind of move it to where you want the end point to be. For just practical reasons, I'll line it up with, let's say we wanted to travel this far, the timed part. Okay, so you're gonna have to do have a bit of knowledge in timed parts. I haven't gone over them in my mechanics tutorial yet, but basically I would say just copy my settings for it. I also kind of forgot, so it's gonna take a bit of time. So first we want the head in time to be, let's say, what was let's say like that. Now we're gonna copy it and make the offset into 0.2. Just stack it up, sort of. So it's gonna look something like this. And as you can see, it's gonna start with this being the first frame. And we're gonna talk about this in frames because it's just a better way to do animation in general. So I'm gonna make, I don't know, a default seek running pose. I don't know. But it's gonna start with his legs, of course. So I could do this, do this. What I like to do is make just hidden time in general. No, wait. I keep hidden time, but I make visible time to a really big number. Okay, now I can actually use the seek is gonna be foil, right? So this. It's kind of like this. I'm gonna make it so that the legs are completely still for the first frame. Well, not really. I'll turn them a bit, but it's kind of like this. Also, don't forget your moving part. We're gonna need this for later, as the body and the head, because those two don't move. Well, at least for my animation. You can have a moving body if you want, but I wouldn't really recommend it. Way too much of a hassle to do, so. I also had a more complex model than this because I made it R, kind of 15. I made it kind of R15, so yeah, it's gonna be pretty annoying to do if you're gonna make it R15. So I would refrain from doing that. Just make it normal. I'll say move time. No, actually, button activated. And drag this thing all the way. Using the 10. There we go. somewhere here. And then we're gonna have a head. I'll use 0.5 for this one just to make it a bit smaller. And there we go, we have a classic Seek model. It's not that good, but it's better than what normal people have. So we are going to be going over how to actually like make this whole thing work. I'll be going into 0.05 for the actual animating, so you guys can like do that as well. For this one, do not move it. Never move it or else it's gonna make the animation go wrong. Always use the sizing tool to actually place things in their direct sizing. So if I want this to make this leg go forward, I just do 1, 2, 3. Well, I might just like go with 15 for rotate. It just makes it easier. I'll go like, how about 1? Yeah, 115, and then I just like scale it or like just make it look better using this thing. I know it's like a 1 stud, so it's gonna be like that. Same with the other one. I will make it 1 like that and just scale it like that. And the legs are moving. I also want them, the arms to move, so I do the same thing. The arms move more dramatically, so arms will be like a 30. Try not to copy me directly because like just doesn't give you some learning experience. If you want to, that's fine, but it's gonna get harder for you to do these things on your own, so I recommend against it, but it is your choice. I'll just like do this and just try to size it correctly. Okay, we have the first frame ready over here. And I think I can just move everything to the side and just create frames like that. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna like do the same for this one. Actually, you know what I could do? I can just like do this and copy this entire thing, like the base model, just over a bit, and just keep copying it over, because like the destination's the same if I merge them all together. And when you're done, don't merge them yet. Just wait until the end of the video, because I'll show you guys how to merge them properly so you don't mess anything up. Okay, so we have 6 seeks. This is going to be the first frame that I've decided. And the code for the legs is 1.2. So that means I have to work backwards. So this is gonna be 1. And I just code these things along the way. I call them code because it's basically code. This is gonna be a pretty long video, which is why I separated it from the actual gameplay, because doing the animation is hard enough as it is. I think I did something wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think I did. So, if I'm... Yeah. Okay, so change the hidden time to 1. Sorry. But it shouldn't be that hard. Just select all of them, make hidden time to 1. Make sure this one is definitely... What do I do? Do that. Make sure timed offset is going to start at 1. This one is also going to, like, adapt, you know, and just make sure to adapt all of them to like the correct time, because I messed something up and messing up is bad. Selecting things is so annoying. I'll just do this. Yeah, it's easier. This one's gonna be 0.4, and at the end gonna be 0. This one's gonna be 0.2. There we go. That's the correct timing. And it's gonna move from here, 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 here. At least what I think. So I'll just like play it correctly. To play it, just like make visible times as 0.2. So it seems like this thing has some errors, which I'm gonna fix. Oh, that's what I did. You see, don't make mistakes like me. There we go. Wait, what happened here? If that's 1, this should be 8. And this one is... Oh, yeah. You see, sometimes I can be dumb. Like, really, really dumb. There we go. Now it should be normal. Yeah. So it looks like this goes first. So for this one, I'll make sure that the legs are just in general at 30. And then increase them. Increase the size, I mean. Be sure to shrink and increase when necessary, because like if you don't, there's gonna be problems. This one is like this. And just do this for every single leg. And for this, I would say it's gonna be like this, this, this. And then this is gonna be normal. Oh wait, the arms, yeah. See, don't forget arms. Never forget arms. Arms is very important. And then I'm gonna do 1, 2. Do I have to use... No, wait. I think I might skip the standing still one, because there's just no reason to have it. Now we're gonna skip the 3rd frame and we're gonna go for the 4th frame. And the 4th frame, very, very simple. Just do this. Like, literally, just do this. Super simple. We just swap the legs around. And then there's not going to be any standing still, so I think this will be fine. We just skip the standing still part, and then we're going to go with kind of like really exaggerated movement again. So what I could do is just copy something. So I'll like delete this one and copy the 2nd one because I don't want to do any work. You should like still do the 5th one, but I'm gonna be lazy and do this. So you do what's best for you. I've said that a lot throughout the video, but it's true. Just do whatever building style fits for you, and for this one I will... But yeah, whenever you're lazy like me, don't forget to like change the code. That's very important. So, I'll just change this, oh, not that, this, and, come on, this, okay. This one's gonna be 0. I think it was like 4. And this is gonna be 0.2. I think. Yeah. Wait, what happened here? Did I not change it for... So that's 0. Wait, 4, 2, 0. Oh, this is 0. My bad. Zero. .2. And that should all work. And now at this point, I would tell you to delete the head and the body of these 5 frames, because we don't want to copy on top of these things, right? Because those aren't timed parts, so I'm just going to delete all of these. And now once you've done doing that, I'll do something called merging. So this is very important. Please pay attention. When you're merging, you have to merge directly onto like the things. And then after you've done that, copy them again and then merge them to the 2nd frame, or like 3rd frame in my case. Copy them again, merge them to this one. I did copy that. Copy that again. And then boom, you're done. Now I'll just place this in the middle, and we have a walking seek animation. Fairly, I think. It's hard to tell because I've skipped the middle, which makes it just looks weird, but it works. So I'll just place it on the ground and make it so that it's continuous. Did I seriously? Yeah, make sure using direction is like that, yeah. Now it should be perfectly normal. If you want to make it faster, just highlight the, just copy the, not copy, select the entire thing, make move time like, I don't know, 2. And look, it's a fast boy now. But I doubt you're going to make it this fast because like, it has to be compatible with the actual speed. So I would say something like 3.5. Yeah, something like that. And there you go. We made an actual, like, seek thing. I hope it actually helped. If you want to make an image, just, like, hit the head. Like, click the head. Add image. And just, like, get the ID of the seek eye. I think I have it. But, like, you guys should be able to find one yourselves. It's not that hard. Just like search up seek eye and I don't know, just like ask your friends for seek eye. That works. So that's basically all for this tutorial. I hope you guys were successful in making the animated seek. But yeah, that's basically it for now, at least. There's going to be a part 2 for the falling objects and such, which they're pretty easy if you think about it, but like if you don't know how, I'll like still have it. And there's going to be a video on how to like turn this whole thing. Really complicated though, so, you know. That's basically it. That took a long time. I don't know how much time it's going to be on for the video, but yeah, for me that took a long time. Goodbye and stay safe, and bye!